Y'all, I'm out here with the kids doing fireworks. I'm out there with it yet. There's a lot of people out here in our neighborhood doing them. I don't see. Oh, shit, it would stop when I'm recording. Scaredy cat and the baby scaredy cat in there too. Barry, he's scared every time one go off. He act.
Like this one up for nothing.
Celebrating with the children. Alright, so I'm showered and I'm in the bed. Y'all hear the little kids down there talking because they do not sleep in their room. They sleep in my room. And half of their whole lives, maybe 4 or 5. They sleep in their bed. They sleep in their bed a little bit sometimes. Anyway. But our 4th of July weekend and today was nice. We did fireworks, as y'all can see. And now we're showered and I'm in the bed. But I want to say one thing about teenagers. Teenagers are some of the most ungrateful beings. You know, you try your best. I'm a single mother. I'm a single parent. I take care of them by myself. I don't ask nobody for nothing. Although we do have a support system, a good support system from, you know, a family that kind of adopted us into their family some years ago. You know, but my mom's passed on, and so is my father. You know, so it's just really us. But the kids are so ungrateful. Like, oh my goodness. And it's sickening. It make you really not want to do nothing for them. You know, teenagers I'm talking about. But nonetheless, we had a good day. I'm glad it's over. I'm glad the fireworks is over. I'm glad they popped all of them and it's over with. So now I'm about to turn on a movie. And we're about to call it a night. Let me show the kids. I'll say good night.
Good night. Good night, Mommy.
Good night. I love y'all. So that's how my little crew sleep. Hey y'all, they got a whole room with 2 beds in their room. Now they asking for melatonin. Y'all don't need melatonin tonight. But good night. Like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.